Narendra Modi and Vladimir Putin bonhomie on full display. The Indian Prime Minister's two-day visit has ruffled many feathers in the West.
And we would urge India, as we do any country when it engages with Russia, to make clear that any resolution to the conflict in Ukraine needs to be one that respects the UN Charter, that respects Ukraine's territorial integrity, Ukraine's sovereignty.
However, the two leaders made no qualms about their friendship or the deepening ties between India and Russia.
लेकिन शायद ये मीटिंग ऐसी है कि पूरे विश्व का ध्यान मेरी इस यात्रा पर केंद्रित हुआ है और पूरी विश्व इस यात्रा के भांति-भांति के मीनिंग निकाल रहा है। कल आपने मुझे अपने निवास स्थान पर बुलाया और एक सच्चे दोस्त के रूप में कल शाम हमने करीब 4-5 घंटे तक साथ रहे, अनेक विषयों पर हमने बातें की और मुझे खुशी हुई कि यूक्रेन के विषय में हम दोनों अपने अपने विचार खुले मन से, विस्तार से हम उसकी चर्चा कर पाए और बड़े आदर के साथ एक दूसरे के विचारों को हमने सुनने समझने का प्रयास किया।
But why is the West wary of deepening ties between India and Russia? Can India successfully balance its ties with West and Russia? Why does Russia need India more than ever? Keep watching for all these details. Modi last visited Russia in 2019, but a lot has changed since then, especially for Russia. Moscow is involved in a raging war in Ukraine, is almost an international pariah, heavily dependent on China and is struggling to keep its economy afloat amid Western sanctions. And it is in this context that the Indian Prime Minister's visit becomes extremely significant. Modi received a ceremonial welcome in Moscow and was greeted by Putin as his dear friend. The two leaders took a car ride together and visited a nuclear plant, reaffirming their close personal bond. Modi hailed Russia as India's all-weather friend and a trusted ally, while praising Putin's leadership in strengthening the partnership over the past 2 decades.
साथियों में दशकों से भारत और रूस के बीच जो अनोखा रिश्ता है उसका कायल रहा हूं। रूस शब्द सुनते ही हर भारतीय के मन में पहला शब्द आता है भारत के सुख दुख का साथी, भारत का भरोसेमंद दोस्त। हमारे रशियन फ्रेंड्स इसे द्रुजबा कहते हैं और हम हिंदी में इसे दोस्ती कहते हैं।
PM Modi also announced that India will open 2 new consulates in Russia to enhance regional engagement. Other key areas of discussion include defense cooperation, energy ties, and trade. India and Russia share a history of close cooperation dating back to the Cold War era. The Soviet Union was India's most significant strategic partner, with deep collaborations in defense, trade, nuclear energy, and more. Even after the collapse of the Soviet Union, ties have endured despite challenges, with regular leader-level summits since 2000. Over the past decade under Modi and Putin, the partnership has grown substantially in areas like energy, defense, and trade. Even the West has not been able to pressure India into cutting ties with Russia, a testament to India's growing stature in the world. Russia has long been India's top arms supplier. Despite India diversifying its arms purchase and stress on Atmanirbhar Bharat in defense, Russia remains a critical component of India's defense capabilities. India's import of heavily discounted Russian oil also boomed amid Western sanctions. Russia is India's top crude supplier with a 30 to 40% market share, and this has helped India blunt the impact of high global prices.
दुनिया के अनेक देशों के नागरिकों को पेट्रोल डीजल के कारण बहुत बड़े संकट से गुजरना पड़ा और आज भी गुजरना पड़ रहा है। लेकिन हमारे उस कारोबार के कारण हम भारत के नागरिकों को पेट्रोल डीजल के इस मार से बचा पाए, इन्फ्लेशन से बचा पाए और स्टेबिलिटी भी ला पाए। इसके लिए भी मैं आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
However, overall bilateral trade remains imbalanced, with imports far exceeding India's exports to Russia. However, there is no doubt that Russia needs India more than ever. As mentioned earlier, India is a major buyer of Russian oil and weapons, providing much needed cash inflows to Moscow's flattering economy. The trip helps Moscow rebuff Western efforts to cast Putin as a pariah over his February 2022 invasion of Ukraine. India's significance also increases in the context of Russia changing ties with China. While Russia and China have deepened their relationship in the recent years, Putin is wary of letting Xi Jinping play big brother. Moscow is well aware of Beijing's history of infamous debt trap policy, even against its allies, and this is where India becomes a key for Russia. Consider this, despite its growing proximity to Beijing, Russia has never said that India cannot use its arms against China. Remember, India has even deployed its Russian S-400 defense missile squadrons along the borders with China. So will India face repercussions from the West over its growing ties with Russia? Can PM Modi and his government keep up the delicate balancing act between Russia and the West? What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.
what the changes in India's population and the
We have a
different
very special guest on the record.
The interview.
The role that the US side played at that point of time.
पूरी दुनिया की नजर
assume my phone is tapped, I can
Rising confidence of India under Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Communist China is the greatest threat.
There will come a day that we will see far more radical extremist.
I'm still a little perplexed by why
your daily dose of news from India and across the world. Cutting edge views and analysis. Tune into HT videos, click on the bell icon to subscribe.